If you're looking for a well-fitting, high-quality, comfortable, single-use mask, then the new Honeywell 800 series is the solution for you. The Honeywell 800 series single-use molded masks include a PU foam seal designed to provide exceptional fit and comfort. The range is available in FFP1 and FFP2, with and without a valve, for various types of applications. The Honeywell 800 series is made of high-performance humidity-resistant and low-breathing resistance material. Honeywell 800 series masks can be put on quickly and easily, with minimum adjustments required to provide a comfortable and secure fit. The metallic nose clip makes it easy to shape the mask to fit. The double elastic straps are welded outside the filtering material, preventing any risk of leakage and increasing stability for a perfect fit. The high-performance exhalation valve enhances comfort throughout the day. The shell incorporates an arc-shaped rib pattern to ensure the mask retains its shape. The masks are extremely lightweight, minimizing fatigue and increasing wearer acceptance. They can easily be worn with safety spectacles or goggles, maintaining an excellent field of vision. Finally, the Honeywell 800 series is certified to EN 149-2001 and A1 2009 and has undergone an optional dolomite test to ensure additional protection for the user and a high resistance to clogging. The mask can be used for long periods, retaining its performance in breathing resistance and filtration. The Honeywell 800 series is latex, PVC and silicone-free and is REACH tested.